Good morning. Today we will discuss add an array of data in microcontroller. Array means number of memory location data. We can add n number of data. Data available in memory. Okay. Example 8500H. 8500H 07 data. Next 8501 04 data. Next 8502 03 data. Next 8503 02 data and 8504 08 data. This is for data 1, data 2, data 3 and data 4 and data 5. Now add all the 5 datas and the result to store next address 8505. Here to store the sum and the next address location 8506 to store the carry if any carry. Add an array of data means we can add n number of data. Here given 5 numbers of data, we can add the 5 numbers of data that result sum to store 8505 address. If any carry, no carry also, we can store the address 8506. Data 1 85002, data 5 8504. Add all the 5 datas and the result to store sum 8505 address and carry to store 8506. Okay. First we have to initialize the number of datas. That is called counter. To fix any one register. Suppose MOV R0, hash number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data means we can fix the counter value 05. 10 data means we can fix the counter value 10 means the corresponding hexadecimal value 09. 100 data means the corresponding hexadecimal value to fix your 64 inch. This is for number of data, that is counter 05 to load in register R0. Next to clear register R1 00H. This is for to store the carry purpose. To clear register R100, this is for to store the carry purpose. Next to clear R2 register 00H. This R2 register data initially add with first data. For that to clear R2 register. What purpose? We are clearing R2 register 00 means addition means we have to add accumulated data with some other registered data. Okay. Data 1 in available accumulator and add with registered data initially 00. Okay, for that to clear register R200. Next to initialize the data address. We can initialize in the data pointer MOV DPTR hash 8500H. 8500. Now to initialize in data pointer. This is for DPL and this is for DPH. These two represent for data pointer. This is for external memory address location. In this address location, data 07 to move A register. For that we can use MOVX. X means external memory address location data. MOV A comma at the rate of DPTR. At the rate of DPTR means Here the DPTR address 8500 at the rate of DPTR means the memory address location data to move A register. Now register A07. Register A07 and add with register R2. Okay. In register R200. Register R200. Now add these two data. For that we can use A comma R2 register. Okay, after addition in result accumulator 07. Okay, in accumulator result 07, this result temporarily to move to R2 register. Then only it will add R2 register data with next data. For that we can move this result temporarily to move R2 register. R2 comma A. Now A register data to move R2. Register R2 07. Okay. Now 5 data 1 we already added. Now to check that add result whether it is carry or not. Add result we have to check. Jump if result is no carry. No carry means jump to here. Increment the data pointer address. We have to add with the second data. For that we can increment the data pointer address. If no carry, jump to here, increment the DPTR. Now address will be incremented. After increment, now to decrement the number of data. This available in register R0. DJNZ R0 comma. Now register R0 equal to initially 05 after decrement. Now register R0 equal to 04. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. No 0 means jump to where this memory address location. Okay. Move X A comma at the rate of DPTR. Now here DPTR address will be incremented. Now at present DPTR address is 8501 memory address location. That memory address location data to move A register. Now A register 04. A register 04 and register R2 and A comma R2. A register 04, register R2 07. Now add these two in result A 0704 11 in decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 0B. After addition again A register data, that is result data, sum to move R2 register. Now this will move to R2 register. Now to check the result whether it is carry or not. Here also no carry. No carry means again jump to here, increment the data pointer address. Now address will be incremented 8502 and then decrement the number of data. Now this will be decrement into 03. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to here. MOVX A comma at the rate of DPTR. Now the DPTR address is at present 8502. Now this memory address location data to move A register. Now A equal to 03. A03 and then add A comma R2. A register 03 and R2 0B. Now add these two. 0B means 11. 11 you can add with 03. 11, 14. Okay, decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value E 0 C D E. Now 0 E in A register and then to check the result whether it is carry or not. Now result is no carry. No carry means jump to here, again increment the data pointer address. Now data pointer address will be incremented 8503 memory address location and then decrement R0. Now R0 02. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to here. MOVX A comma at the rate of DPTR. Now the DPTR address is 8503. That memory address location data to move A register. Now register A equal to that. This is for R2 and register A equal to 02. Now add A register data with R2 0E and A 0 F. No, sorry, 0 2. 0 E means 14. 14 we can add with 2, 16. 16 decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 10 in register A 10. After that A register data to move R2. R2. Now to check the result whether it is carry or not. No carry. No carry means jump to here, increment the data pointer address. Now data pointer address will be incremented this one. Now okay. Next decrement the R0. R0 0 1. Now to check that it is 0 or not. No 0. No 0 means jump to here at the rate of data pointer address. Now the data pointer address is 8504. That memory address location data to move A register. Now register A equal to 0 8. Now add A register data with R2. Okay. This is for 18. 18 in A register. The same data to move R2 also. R2. Next, to check the result whether it is carry or not. No carry. No carry means jump to here and then increment the data point. Now data pointer will be incremented 8505 address location. And then decrement register R0. Now register R0 will be 00. Now this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means all the data added. So in accumulator result will be available, that is sum. Some result we can store this memory address location. For that we can use MOV X at the rate of DPTR comma A. 18 data to move DPTR address. Now the DPTR address is 8505. Result 80H. Okay. And then next memory address location we have to store the carry result. For that we have to increment the data pointer INC DPTR. Now data pointer address will be incremented. The carry result available R1. Now R1 data to move A register A comma R1, and then accumulated data we can move to this data pointer address. For that we can use MOV X at the rate of DPTR comma A. Now the carry 0 to move this memory address location. After that short jump means end of the program. The end of the program it will jump to last memory location of the program. Last memory address location of the program. Okay. Suppose if result is any carry means now to increment the carry register content single times INC R1. After that increment the data pointer. It will repeat the same process. If any carry, no carry means directly jump to here. This is the program of to add n number of data. To add n number of data. N number of data means array means number of memory address, number of memory locations. Here the number of data available in memory. We can add the data and the result to store next memory address location, and the carry will be stored next memory address locations. This is the concept of to add an array of n number of data. Any doubt? No. Thank you.